नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पहिल्या युनिटच्या 1.1 युनिटला सुरुवात करणार आहोत. कवितेचे नाव आहे वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर. कवितेचे लेखिका कोण आहेत हे आपल्याला माहिती नाही. द नेम ऑफ द पोएट और पोएटेस इज अननोन. सो बिफोर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट our poem, I am reading it loudly. You listen carefully and look at your book. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right, and I know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you, author unknown. So in this poem there are 4 stanzas. The first stanza says, walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. So the meaning is, the little child requests its father to walk a little slower. The child adds that it is following in its father's footsteps. The child does not want to fall, hence the request to slow down. The second stanza's meaning, the little child tells its dad that sometimes his father's steps are very fast and at some other times they are hard to see. So according to the child, it is important because the father is leading him. It means the father is the child's role model in life. In the third stanza, the meaning is, the little child adds that when it is grown up, it wants to be exactly like its father, and in future when the child will have a little child, that child will follow in the footsteps of its father. It means the present child as a father then. In the last stanza, the child further adds that it wants to lead its further child just as the way its father leads it now. So it is important to make sure that it leads its future child in the true way. For that, the child must now understand its father's actions better. Hence, the child requests its father again to go a little slower. So in this way, the child tells her father, walk a little slower. It means the child wants to understand the actions of its father better. So I think you have understood something. So read the poem 2 or 3 times and try to understand the meaning of this poem. Now I am giving you some new words based on this poem. Thank you.